Probate can be stressful, but most of the pain I see doesn't come from the process itself. It comes from avoidable mistakes. Families are grieving and trying to make decisions under pressure, and sometimes that leads to choices that cause more frustration later. Mistake number 1, waiting to act. Out of respect or uncertainty, families often pause for months before organizing documents or contacting professionals. Probate already moves slowly. Waiting adds even more time and cost. Mistake number 2, trying to do it alone. Probate involves legal filings, property care, and emotion. Attorneys and realtors exist to share that weight, to keep everything lawful and calm. Mistake number 3, fire selling the home. Rushing to sell rarely brings peace. A little preparation and proper marketing protect the estate's legacy. Mistake number 4, family conflict. Emotions run high. Disagreements are normal. My role with the attorney is to keep everyone focused on the estate's wishes. Probate doesn't have to be painful. With guidance, most of these mistakes disappear. The right structure, attorney, and realtor keep the process smooth and the family intact. I'm Geoffrey Serdar with Serdar & Partners Real Estate Services, and this is Lake Minnetonka Probate, where we simplify the complex, honor every story, and guide families home.